family, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some Dollar Tree products that you can purchase right now to fake that high-end look, as well as some products that I think are well worth that $1.25. The first product I want to share with you guys, you're going to find in the floral section, and it is the olive branches. I love to decorate with olive branches, especially during spring and summertime. So pair these with a glass from Dollar Tree to get a beautiful look for a very inexpensive price. You can always find some beautiful glass vases from Dollar Tree. I really like this one that they're carrying right now. I like the way that it tapers up this way. Then you could just put an olive branch like that, call it a day. Or you can paint these. I've shared on my channel before a way of painting these to get a ceramic look. Basically, you mix some acrylic paint with some baking soda. You get a creamy kind of consistency, and then you paint the surface. You end up with a beautiful vase. Or if you're not into that route and you don't want to do all of that, you can just buy a stone spray paint. Rust-Oleum carries these in different colors. You just take the spray paint to this and it does the work for you to get that faux stone look. That spray paint does cost anywhere from $10 to $12, but you will have a lot of spray paint left over to use on other projects or a number of glasses. I don't normally share cleaning supplies in these type of videos. However, this Chase glass cleaner from Dollar Tree is amazing, not just for cleaning mirrors or glass, but for cleaning the inside of your car. This is something I had seen on TikTok and I really wanted to try it. If you try it out, put it in a small little area of the car and see how the material of your car reacts before spraying it everywhere. So we tried this inside of Matt's car. His ceiling had some water damage stains, so we went ahead, sprayed it, used a microfiber cloth. You don't want to use anything that's rough, like a rough brush, and all we did was just clean it and it came right out. It was so effortless. It wasn't like I was really having to scrub. I highly recommend this, for nothing else, to clean glass and mirrors, because it's a great glass cleaner. This next set of products you're going to find in the beauty supply section, and I found out about them from Bethany Frankel, who used to be on The Real Housewives. I saw a TikTok video she uploaded, and I'm going to let a little bit of that play now.
This is from the dollar store. There's nothing in this that's not natural. I'm freaking out. Beauty Guru blends formulated by a certified aromatherapist. There's nothing in this that's not natural. This is from the dollar store. This is a clean beauty brand. Do you know why? Because every ingredient is something I understand. Not the actual buckhorn.
It's this line of Beauty Guru products that you're going to find at Dollar Tree. They have multiple products to choose from. I have this natural face serum with sandalwood and natural bright skin serum with rose hip oil. And if I look on the back, the ingredients, I can pronounce it all, which is a good sign. And there is nothing unnatural inside of these ingredients. But I feel like if you can find some good natural products for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, it's well worth that, especially when it is beauty products. Another product I found at Dollar Tree that's all natural is this Aroma Guru roll-on. They have two different kinds that I saw, peppermint and lavender. I know lavender is good for helping anxiety, relaxing, just the scent of it can really help someone. And then peppermint, which peppermint is something I have used. I tend to get headaches frequently enough, and I do take Tylenol, especially if the headache's really bad, but when it's like excruciating bad, I like to use peppermint and I put it on the temples to really just kind of relieve that tension that I feel inside of my head, especially if it's a pounding headache. And peppermint's really good for that. Peppermint oil people also use to kind of rid spiders and mice within their home, because apparently they don't like the smell of it. Have I ever tried that? No, but that is something that I've heard. So the ingredients on the back is 100% pure peppermint, essential oil, and then sweet almond oil. That's it. That's all that's inside of here. So I think this is a great buy, especially if you like using different scented oils. When I do videos like this, I love to highlight Dollar Tree's dinnerware section. I have shown their clear and white dinnerware in the past. It's really inexpensive and you can use these pieces to make some beautiful tablescapes. I want to highlight their black dinnerware this time around. It's chic, very simple. You can make this, look really high-end, really glamorous. It's just so easy to do because it's a basic color. You compare these with the chargers from Dollar Tree. I really like the gold chargers to pair with the black dinnerware. The silverware I'm going to pair with this is actually disposable. I got it for $5 at Target, this big old pack of them, and I tend to use them a lot because when I do a tablescape and I have people over, that gold, it just always looks so nice, and then I don't have to worry about cleanup afterward. I really like those. Like I said, you get them at Target. These are pieces that I 100% believe give you a really beautiful high-end look. Dollar Tree's glassware is amazing as well, but they recently got in these champagne glasses by the brand Crystar, so it's not the Greenbrier brand Dollar Tree normally has, and this is a much better quality than what Dollar Tree normally carries. You can tell just the thickness of the glass is much different than the Greenbrier brand. A new product at Dollar Tree that I think is great for faking that high-end look are these candle holders. You can spray paint these if you do not like this black color. Just put them on top of a mantle near your fireplace, maybe on a TV stand. You can even put these on top of some books that you get from Dollar Tree. Just look for a really pretty spine on the book, or you can just place this on top of a tray. Completely up to you, but I do think at $1.25, this is a great price for something like this. Dollar Tree mirrors, specifically their framed mirrors, are great for faking high-end decor. I really like the framed circle mirrors they have in right now. They carry 3 different sizes. I got the largest one that they carry. And what I would do is I would attach multiple frames together. It's completely up to you with how many you want to attach to each other, but you can make a big unit for an inexpensive price. So I really do like their framed mirrors for anything related to faking high-end decor using Dollar Tree products. These next products are not for decor. I just think they're great for $1.25. I found these Barbasol ear and nose trimmers. Okay, sometimes you might have hair in spots. You don't really want it. For $1.25, this is an awesome price. This will cost you way more at Walmart, at Target, at CVS, you know, you name it. This is a great price. Some people, you know, they got some long ear hair or some nose hair that they want to trim. You know, like it's natural, you know. So my point is, this is a great price, okay? Then they've got these Brookstone tweezers and nail clippers in right now. I actually bought the nail clippers a while ago and I really like how sturdy they are. They're a great quality that I went back and I got the tweezers. So I want to get the tweezers a go. For $1.25, they're great because you can buy the cheaper kind at Dollar Tree or like Target and Walmart, and you can really just tell the difference between the cheaper kinds you get at those stores versus this. I love me a good hair remover. I got the little buzzy one that works on eyebrows and above your lip. I love that thing. I'm like a chia pet. I'm Puerto Rican. I grow hair like super fast, and so I really like those, especially for above my lip. A product that I really like from Dollar Tree that's $1.25 is this chopper scraper. I really like these for chopping bread. I feel like every single time I use my bread knife, I just end up squishing all of the bread. So I'll get like the French bread from the grocery store, I cut into it, and then one side it just like starts to go in. No, this makes it so much easier to cut that type of stuff. I like to use this with heads of lettuce. I really do recommend these. It's an inexpensive price. You can find nicer ones that are super sharp at other stores, but this gets the job done, and I think that it's really worth that $1.25. I found the candle holders in the home decor section, and in the home decor section you will run into figurines a lot of animals, or you might run into some shapes like this that if you spray paint them a different color, or you paint them to have like a stone look or that ceramic look, you can make some really high-end looking pieces. So I ended up getting this, and just on its own I could pair that with those candle holders, again like on top of a book, and get a really nice piece for an inexpensive price. What a great find I have for you guys right now that you're gonna find in the home decor section. It isn't this shelf, but it has these little metal pieces, because Dollar Tree has the floating shelf and it has a string, and I wouldn't say that's necessarily high-end. It has more of a boho feel. This has more like a farmhouse feel, and if you painted, you can make it look more like a glam look or a modern look. I personally would paint the color of this shelf. For sure, you can even paint the metal, but for $1.25, this is an amazing price. I think this is a steal. By the glass vases, you're gonna be able to find some ceramic and plastic vases. I found this one in particular that I think on its own is great for $1.25. What I wanna do is flip it over and glue a plate on top of it. And that way I can use it for decor, or it could be functional. I can use it inside of the kitchen to put fruits and vegetables on top of. Obviously, our homes look their best when they are organized and clean. It is hard to do. I am not the best at that. Behind me right now, it looks clean and nice. Behind the camera, that's a different story. I have a toddler, things just get messy constantly, but I try my best to organize and have spots where things can go. Right now, Dollar Tree has these products that really make life easier when it comes to organizing right now. The one that I like the most is these jumbo storage bags. I love these, especially for storing some of Cooper's clothes. I would like to have another child, and so I am saving some of his clothes that I might be able to use if I do have another child. So I think these are great for $1.25. They have this over-the-door shoe storage packs, and it's 8 pairs that can be placed inside of each little slot that there is. These don't come with hooks to go over the door, which I don't really understand that, so I'm using some command hooks. And I already have a shoe organizer I got from Five Below here, but I know that there's wasted space down there that I could put this one on. And I really want to, especially because like Cooper's shoes also go inside of here, and it would just make so much more sense than something like this, giving me and Matt more room for our stuff.
Totally put that on crooked. However, I really like it because since it's shorter, I could put it underneath my larger one. And then I have this space that I could put Cooper's shoes in instead of that and have more space for Matt and I. The material of this one, though, you can definitely tell is like thinner compared to this. I mean, this is not significantly thicker, but you can tell the difference between the two.
Dollar Tree always carries beautiful candle holders that don't need any DIYing. For instance, I found this black one with this gold rim, and I think it's beautiful on its own. You don't have to do anything. Put a candle inside of there, you're good to go. If you want to make a candle out of this by buying a Dollar Tree candle and melting it down to put inside of this, you most definitely can do that. I do think these are a great buy. They also have other ones that I think are great buys for $1.25 to get that high-end decor look. What's more luxurious and relaxing than being in a bubble bath? Right now, Dollar Tree has this earth-supplied bubble bath with hemp seed oil. It has no parabens or phthalates. It's a lavender scent that I got. And then they have this big old pack right now of Epsom salt for $1.25. It's a big, big container. I think these are great buys. And I've showcased Dollar Tree chargers so many times in the past, but I don't really talk about their rectangle chargers. These are great for decor. So in your kitchen, if you have glass jars that aren't inside of the cabinet or they're not inside of the pantry, you can put them on top of here and it just instantly looks really nice and high end. Or inside of your bathroom, if you have glasses filled with cotton or Q-tips, again, just place them on top of here and it instantly looks nice. If you are having an event, a wedding, put some cupcakes on top of here or some cookies. If you want some bougie looking ice, which never thought I would say that before, Dollar Tree right now has these spear ice molds in. You just fill them up with water, wait for them, to get cold, and there you have these spears that you can put inside of your cup, and look how nice it looks. It's funny because it's ice, but it looks really nice. Dollar Tree has these marble desk organizers that I think are really good for faking high-end decor. You can place this in an entryway if you have somewhere like an end table near the entryway to put things on top of, or maybe beside your bed to put your rings on top of, or any jewelry you might have on. I just think these are really nice and they look really chic to me. So that's it for the video. Say hi, Pepper. She got a haircut yesterday, and then she also got skunked yesterday. Thank God we had all the ingredients we needed to de-skunk her, so she smells just fine. Look at my little girl. I love you, little girl. Anyways, that's it for the video. I'm going off topic. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any items from Dollar Tree that you think are really high-end or that are really worth $1.25, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.